Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. I know it's currently quite a lot of video output, but yeah, there's a lot to cover there. And since I've also followers who are there for the LinkedIn challenges, I will now do an easy current LinkedIn challenge. Sum of all rows, sums of all columns, plus sum of all diagonals. Let A, then sum of A and A, because then I have all the columns and the diagonals. And then I will use MAKEARRAY, or first the number of columns A. Now my assumption is that this is like has the same number of columns than the same number of rows. Now if A equals B, then no, I need to R and C, then R equals C, then A otherwise 0. Mm, hmm. If okay, no, I need R equals C, and then need to multiply with A, which would then spill, yes. And now also in the other direction. So or C, so the no, it's also not C. Then I need to name this D because I need this C here. If 10 minus C, or no, C minus D, so the column. So 10 minus 1 equals the number of rows minus 1. Then I have the other way around. And then let's formulate this in a single cell, and we have everything adjusted. So as you know, MakeArray is super useful function for this kind of stuff, and I have also a video about MakeArray on my channel. I will link here. So thank you for your attention. I think the other solutions were O solution. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, thank you for your attention. I hope to see you next time. Bye.